Hey guys, my name's Mike. I'm assistant manager here at All the Right Gears. Today we're just briefly going to go over what we do for a basic tune-up. First off, we repair any style of bike, any brand. This model in particular is a specialized crate. It's a mountain bike, 29-inch wheels. So today we're going to go over what we do in a general tune-up. So in a tune-up, we basically true the wheels, make sure the wheels are straight, adjust the gears, clean the drive chain, make sure the hubs, bearings, everything is adjusted properly. So after the wheels have been trued, the second step I do is basically turn the bike upside down, and I will start lubing the gear cables. This bike here has hydraulic disc brakes, so we do not want to press the brake levers when the wheels are not installed. And the reason for turning the bike upside down while lubing the cables is basically you're letting gravity help you do the work. So a rear derailleur cable and the front derailleur cable. And now that the rear wheel is back on the bike, we made sure that it was straight in the dropouts. I'm going to quickly go scan through the gears and to see how it's shifting. Okay, so now that the wheels are done, trued, we checked the hubs as well. We put the back wheel on the bike, checked over the gears, we checked over all the nuts and bolts. The front wheel, basically one of the last things I'm going to put on. Check the brake. And again, we make sure that the wheel is straight up in the dropouts. It is not crooked. So one of the last steps that we do is check the headset bearing compression and the stem clamp bolts. Make sure everything is torqued to spec. And then lastly, we're just going to go give it a quick run through over the whole bike. Double check every nut and bolt, make sure everything's torqued to spec, check the gears one more time. And there you have it. That was our basic general tune-up. We also do overhauls as well. In an overhaul, we will do the tune-up, but in an overhaul we'll take out the bearings in the headset, the bottom bracket, front hub, rear hub, clean out all the old grease and apply new grease. And make sure everything is working pristine. And mind you, if you have a chain that's a little bit worn out with a new cassette, you could have a skip. So if a chain or cassette is worn out, we will call the customer and ask them for approval to put a new chain or cassette on.